Let's get your S1 Pro unboxed and ready for action. Rotate to open and take out side latches. Pinch and lift up. Release bottom latches. Tilt the machine on one side to remove foam packaging. Please confirm you have received all those accessories listed below. Install AAA batteries for the handles and height pins. Flashing indicator light means successful installation. Roll the machine smoothly near the wall. Connect the power cord to a standard grounded 3-prong socket to ensure power safety. Push the platform inward to unlock. Wait for it to lower slowly. Pull the lever firmly to lock the platform.